Switching from Windows to Linux can feel overwhelming for beginners. Today, we'll break down the top Linux distributions, distros, that are the most comfortable for Windows users. Whether you're looking for something familiar or a unique twist, there's a Linux distro here for you. If 12 feels like too many options, start with the top 3 recommendations. Found something else you like? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Number 12 is Pop_OS. Pop_OS, developed for STEM professionals, is also a solid choice for Windows users looking for a seamless transition. Instead of applications, Pop_OS uses activities in the top left corner to access your apps. Features like the Pop_Store, a taskbar for quick navigation, and built-in tools make it versatile. While it might require some initial adjustments, Pop_OS is a capable Windows replacement. Number 11 is Elementary OS. Elementary OS stands out with its sleek and modern design, but it closely resembles Mac OS rather than Windows. Despite this, it's easy to use and promises fast performance and privacy. For Windows users willing to embrace a new aesthetic, Elementary OS offers an intuitive experience that's different but rewarding. Number 10 is PingWiOS. PingWiOS combines elements of both Windows and Mac OS, featuring a Mac-style dock and a start menu. Available in mini and full versions, the latter includes plenty of pre-installed software but demands higher system resources. For a smoother experience, start with the mini version to see if PingWiOS fits your needs. Number 9 is Linux Lite. Linux Lite has the 2 words we're looking for, and they promise a smooth transition for Windows users. Linux Lite offers something we hadn't seen yet right out of the gate: a welcome screen. There are 3 categories to browse: Start Here, Support, and Contribute. It also offers an install option. Windows users will feel right at home here, but there should be a download manager to download apps that are easier to find, assuming there is one at all. Number 8 is PC Linux OS. PC Linux OS has a PC in the name, so it must be perfect for Windows users, right? The problem is that you need to pick from one of 3 desktops, followed by one of 6 builds, bringing your guesswork to choosing from 18 different distributions. PC Linux OS is beautiful to look at and easy to use. The extra taskbar items make using it easier, and the software manager is easy to use while different from the others tested. Number 7 is Parrot OS. Parrot OS does not claim to be perfect for Windows users, but it does claim it's good for new users. There's a focus on security and privacy, although different distros allow you to decide what you want. Depending on the distro you select, Parrot OS has many privacy and security apps that other Linux distros lack. It also includes most of the Office, multimedia, and graphics apps you've come to expect in most distros. Number 6 is Manjaro. Manjaro was a no-brainer. They claim to be a perfect fit for Windows users, and the Linux community often recommends it. It also features a welcome screen like Linux Lite with documentation, support, project, and installer. Many in the Linux community will recommend Manjaro for Windows users, and we found it easy to use. Manjaro has the advantage of a welcoming, large community if you need help. Number 5 is Linux Mint. Linux Mint is Debian or Ubuntu based and has the advantage of being one of the distros that experienced Linux users will recommend to new users. You can boot it as a live operating system, and a shortcut is provided if you decide to install it later. When you see it for the first time, prepare to be impressed. It looks like someone customized the Windows 10 start menu with a dark theme. Number 4 is Diamond Linux. Diamond Linux TT also promises to be comfortable for Windows users. It gave me more of a Windows 7 vibe in its current form, and that's not a bad thing. Windows users, especially Windows 7 users, will have no problems adjusting to Diamond Linux TT. Those who remember gadgets are going to love having that option again. Number 3 is Linux. If you loved Windows 7 but couldn't upgrade to Windows 10, Linux is the perfect solution. Available in 2 builds, Cinnamon for lower-end systems and Plasma for higher-end ones, it closely mimics the Windows look and feel, delivering a seamless experience for former Windows users. Number 2 is Solus. Solus is built from scratch and is geared toward Windows users. We booted into the live distro to an attractive desktop using the Budgie desktop, which brings us to one possible confusion, yet advantage, for Windows users. Windows users will feel right at home with Solus. We love that you can download different desktops, so you can move to a more sophisticated desktop and begin to explore Linux further when you're feeling confident. Number 1 is Solus. Zorin is a popular distro based on Ubuntu and highly recommended by Linux users. Once you get to the desktop, it has a nice Windows look and feels with the start menu and taskbar. When you click on the Start button, you access a handful of apps in different categories. Zorin OS is Ubuntu-based, Unlike most of the distros we selected, if you're not sure where to start or feeling overwhelmed already, then try Zorin OS. Windows users should adjust quickly. Switching to Linux doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you choose Zorin OS, Solus, or Linux Mint, there's a distro designed to suit your needs and preferences. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.